Hello, in today's video we will learn how to fetch data from database using jQuery, Ajax and PHP. In the previous video we show how to insert data into MySQL database using jQuery Ajax. I have the provided link in the video description box, or you can watch the video by clicking the above eye icon of this video. I have already created a predefined table here, where table ID is data-table. We have two pages, one table.php where show the table data, and one fetch data.php here I write PHP query code. Go to table.php and here write jQuery script. After table we start and end script tag. Script tag open and close. $document dot ready function and next use Ajax to fetch data from the server. $.ajax now URL colon double quotation comma. The URL is fetch underscore data.php. Write fetch underscore data.php. Next type. Here type is get format, comma, then data type. Data type JSON format, comma. After data type we write success function pass data. Now write loop through the data and populate the table. $.each data, comma, function index, comma, row. Now here new row equal to double quotation start and close tr. After quotation space plus write row dot id space plus double quotation open and close slash td. After quotation space plus space row dot name space plus double quotation open and close, copy td and paste here, space plus row dot email space plus double quotation open and close, td and tr. Now dollar here pass table id. Table id is data hyphen table. Copy hash double quotation open and close hash paste the table id space t body dot append new row semicolon. Now here the semicolon, the curly bracket, comma. Now write error function, error colon function xhr comma status comma error curly bracket console dot error double quotation error fetching data colon space after double quotation space plus pass error and semicolon. After curly bracket here one semicolon plus one semicolon. Now save. Now go to fetch underscore data.php page. First here you see include the database configuration. Next create an empty array to store the data. Dollar data equal to array. Next perform a SQL query to fetch data. Dollar SQL equal to double quotation select star from and my table name. Select star from my table name is user. Copy my table name and paste here. Dollar result equal to dollar con hyphen then query dollar SQL. This conf variable is go to config this con variable. Okay. Now if dollar result hyphen greater than num underscore rows space greater than 0 while dollar row equal to dollar result hyphen greater than fetch just code bracket dollar data square bracket equal to dollar row. Now next close the database connection. Close. Next write return the data as JSON. Echo JSON encode dollar data. Save and go to browser, reload. Okay, ID is not passed. Save. Go to table.php page. Here td save, reload. Now save. ID34 name. Now insert one new data. Copy the URL and paste here. Save. Smita Das smita@gmail.com and submit. Data insert successfully. Okay, and reload the table.php page. Reload. Save. This way you fetch the data from database using jQuery, Ajax and PHP.